right, this is the last section here on graph a line using slope. And this is the code FSV on your IXL 8th grade. And this is Mr. Kane. Let's get started. So graph this line, and it gives us the slope, and it gives us the y-intercept. So instead of giving us y equals mx plus b, it has the slope of -6/5 and the y-intercept of -2. So what we can do is we can use our y-intercept to start and plot a point. So let's go to our y-axis, and the y-intercept is the point where the line will cross the y-axis. So I'm going to put a point at -2 on the y-axis. Then from there, I'm going to do my -6/5, my slope. So let's go ahead and do that. So we're going to rise 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And since it's let's see, let me double check. It's -6/5. Okay, so we're going to rise 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And we're going to run -5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. What you'll notice is that anytime you have a negative line, a negative slope, your line will go down when you go left to right. It goes downhill left to right. If it's a positive line, it's going to go uphill left to right. If it was positive, it would be over here because it would be going uphill left to right. A slope that's negative goes downhill. Okay. So one more time, what did we say? 6 and 5 would be over here. Did I do that right? Let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 5. That's correct. All right, next one. We have a slope of 3/5 and a y-intercept of -7. So let's go ahead and go to the y-intercept, and let's plot a -7. So let's put a point. And from there, we are going to rise 3 and run 5. 1, 2, 3, and we're going to run 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. And one more time, if it's a positive slope, left to right, it's going to be going uphill. Okay. All right, let's do one more. This one says we have a y-intercept of -9 and a slope of 2. So let's go down to -9 right there. Click. And our slope of 2, which is the same thing as 2 over 1. So let's go up 2 over 1 and click it. And just to remind us again, remember, left to right, it goes uphill. A positive slope means it's going to go uphill. And it says, great job.